If you need to reset your password on PrivateVPN, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. This guide will walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Visit the PrivateVPN website. Go to the official PrivateVPN website using your web browser. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. In the login area, find and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password reset page. Step 3. Enter your email address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for an email from PrivateVPN. This email will contain a link to reset your password. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Create a new password. Click on the link in the email, which will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Enter your new password, confirm it, and then save the changes. Once you have completed these steps, you should be able to log into your PrivateVPN account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to PrivateVPN support for assistance.